certainly the European Commission has been consulting extensively the last 6 months about, are there certain big tech companies that are just been going too big and too critical? So they are very much looking at actually gaining more powers to be able to investigate and intervene. So absolutely, we should be expecting some legislation in this area quite soon. In the tech sector, where you are potentially sharing technology or know-how or sort of licensed technology, that is less likely to be very much just for the short term and could potentially have long-term effects. And so that would be subject to a normal antitrust assessment.
Even with the coronavirus, obviously it's an unprecedented case, which nobody has ever seen before. And what I've seen is that trade unions, works councils, and also employees appreciate that this is a unique situation, and they very much appreciate from a relationship management perspective if the company is being upfront and transparent about anything they intend to do.